In this video, we will work on entering raw data into SPSS. The first thing you'll do is open your SPSS. This will open a completely blank data file in SPSS. It's going to open on the data view, and you can see that there's nothing here. We're going to switch over to the variable view tab, and here we're going to enter the information about our variables. So our first variable is participant ID. So the name of it will be ID. It's going to be numeric. This will all auto-populate. And we're going to give it a label. Student ID. Now you can see if we click over to our data view, we now have a column labeled ID. It has the ruler next to it indicating that it is a numeric variable. We'll click back to the variable view and type in our next variable. One thing to note is your variable name cannot have spaces and it cannot start with a number. So for test scores, I entered test underscore scores. And my label, I can have a space. So I'll put test scores. My next variable is going to be sex. This one I'm going to give values. So under values, I'll click the three little dots and this will pull up my values menu. So for a value of 1, will indicate female. I click add. I'll type in 2, male. Add 3 other or not listed, and then I will click OK. So those are the variables that I'm going to have in my data set for now. So now I'm going to click over to my data view, and this is where I will enter my information. So on my participants, we're going to give them numeric numbers, ID numbers. We have 15 participants. Our test scores are going to be entered, and you can just type straight into your text boxes and you'll continue that all the way down. And then our gender, so participant 1 was a female, so we'll give that person a 1. Participant 2 was also a female. Participant 3 was a male, 5 was a male, and you'll continue filling that in all the way down. So now we have our complete data set. Up here there is a symbol that will change from the value labels to the numeric codes used. So when we click this, we can see that our sex variable will change from our numeric data, 1s and 2s indicating male and female, to our value labels where females are listed and spelled out, and same for the male label.